In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So this will be a really quick tutorial for you guys. I'm going to share with you everything you need to start Pinterest affiliate marketing business step by step for beginners. I'm going to share with you which affiliate links you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that will get you commission. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you which affiliate links you should promote. Okay, so let's get started. So step number one, so let me show you first why it's showing $0 in my balance over here, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so step number one for you guys to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do is first you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, then click on the first link over here. Okay, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page over here and you need to scroll down like this. So just keep scrolling down, go to community, click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to scroll down. You can click over here on join now, but before doing this, let me show you commission. See commission, because they are really paying good commission, guys. Look at this. Look, it's up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, click over here on join now. It will take you to this sign up process page, as you can see, and it's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, so what you need to do, put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions, choose your country over here and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes from your time. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go to your home page like this, and now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest as an affiliate so you can earn commission. Click over here on the search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest ads. Okay, search for Pinterest ads or Pinterest followers. Let's search for Pinterest followers. Okay, because people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to get followers. People who are new to Pinterest, they will be interested to grow their Pinterest account. That's why I choose this service. So we are promoting this service on Pinterest, and people who are using Pinterest, who are new, has new account, they will be really interested to give this service a try to get more followers. Okay, so what you will do next, I want you to pay attention. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews and who are like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, and so on. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has almost 5 star. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, he has 35 orders in queue. That means that people are buying this service. There are a lot of people are interested in this service. So that's people who has Pinterest account are buying this service, as you can see over here. Okay, So that's why I choose this service. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services if you want to earn commission. So what you will do next is you will copy this profile link. So copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here, and you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. For people who are new to Pinterest, you just need to go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, choose business account, not personal accounts, of course. So you will be directly in this page. What you will do, you will upload a picture that describe your service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page. I will upload his picture. Save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Pinterest followers, for example. Click on save, go to Pinterest and click over here and upload your picture, okay? Like this. And here you go, this is your picture. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here like this. What you will do next is you need title and description. So let's go back to this seller page, and I can use his information because I'm just an affiliate, okay? You can use his information, okay? I will put this title over here, description. I will go back to this seller page. I will scroll down like this, and you can see over here about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys. Copy this, go to Pinterest, put description here. Scroll down, you need to choose a board. If you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. So I already created those 3, as you can see. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. I'm gonna choose Pinterest, for example, and click over here, scroll down, click on tags. Go back to this seller page, scroll down so you can find his tags, okay? Let's scroll down. Okay, related tags, you should see related tags. Copy those, okay? Go to Pinterest, put those tags here. Easy and simple. Go back. I'm gonna copy this. After you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys, and we are choosing specific services that people will be interested to buy. That's why you cannot promote any services. You should choose specific services if you want to get commission. So I choose this service because people who are using Pinterest, who are new, they will be interested to grow their Pinterest account, and they want to get more followers and more engaging, and they want to grow their Pinterest account. That's why they will be interested to give this service a try. So if people click on your affiliate link over here and buy this service, you will get commission. But make sure to promote a lot of services. You cannot promote just one service and wait for commission. You need to promote at least like 5 services per day. Keep promoting so your chance to get commission will be high. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.